This module brings together everything we've been building throughout the investigation curriculum. It shows how workplace investigations evolve from basic fact-finding into a fully intelligence-informed system, one that uses analytical thinking, structured reasoning, technology, and continuous learning to produce defensible outcomes and strengthen organizational resilience. We start by looking at how intelligence analysis elevates investigative work. Instead of simply collecting statements and documents, investigators learn to interpret patterns, test hypotheses, assess credibility, and uncover deeper organizational vulnerabilities. This is where investigations stop being reactive and start becoming strategic tools that help the organization understand not just what happened, but why it happened. From there, it explains how to convert analysis into findings. Investigators must take complex evidence and turn it into clear, defensible conclusions using the preponderance of evidence standard. We emphasize transparent reasoning paths, logic chains, and evidence-linked fact snippets. And we reinforce the separation between factual findings and disciplinary recommendations, keeping the integrity of the fact-finding process intact. The module also covers how to structure a findings report. A standardized format mandate, process, policies, findings, analysis, and conclusions ensures clarity and consistency. Tools like timelines, matrices, evidence tables, and indexes help manage large volumes of information and maintain forensic integrity. The goal is a report that any reader can follow, step by step, from evidence to conclusion. We then move into communicating risk and recommendations. While the findings report stays strictly factual, after-action reports help leadership, HR, and legal understand what the investigation means for the organization. We highlight internal control failures, cultural risk indicators, aggravating and mitigating factors, and systemic vulnerabilities. Investigative intelligence becomes a foundation for defensibility, risk mitigation, and strategic decision-making. It also focuses on building an intelligence-informed investigation culture. This means training investigators in analytical thinking, embedding intelligence practices into policy, and creating continuous improvement loops. Competency models, structured triage protocols, forensic documentation standards, and post-investigation debriefings all help create a disciplined, repeatable investigative system. Finally, we look at the role of technology. Modern investigations rely on case management platforms, digital forensics, e-discovery systems, OS Vastafananti tools, and generative AI DON. These tools help investigators manage massive volumes of data, uncover hidden patterns, and produce findings that stand up to scrutiny. And we emphasize the legal and ethical safeguards needed to ensure forensic soundness and privacy compliance. Taken together, this module shows how investigations can become a strategic asset. It integrates analytical rigor, structured reporting, modern technology, and continuous learning into a single model. The result is an investigation system that not only resolves incidents, but strengthens organizational integrity and reduces systemic risk over time.